Welcome to ItzRafiq. In this video, we are going to discuss some tricks or discuss some options which are not familiar with it, but it is very useful in day-to-day life. And these features we can use by using Microsoft Office package. First, you download Microsoft Office in your mobile and open it and log in with your Hotmail account. After that, you see here by default you will come to home tab. In home tab, and at middle you will get one plus sign and actions. So you can tap on actions. In actions you will see here do more with PDF. So for that, the first option is sign a PDF. Suppose you have to do signature in your PDF file. For example, suppose you have created your biodata. Now you want to put your signature on your biodata. So how can you do it? Tap on sign up PDF. Then you select the file where you want to sign. Suppose I am selecting this one, class 8 book, and here I want to sign. After that, you will tap on which place you want to sign. Suppose here I want to sign, so I have already added one signature. If you don't want this one, you can delete it. I'm deleting the previous signature. Now it asks me to sign here, so I am giving my signature here. So this is my short signature. You can also change the color. You can put only three color at present: black, green and blue. And if you want to store the signature for future purpose, you can enable this button or you can off it if you don't want. And even you can put signature from picture button. You can see in here one picture item by that. Now tap on OK. Now this signature will appear on the document. By dragging you can make the you can resize the signature. So I have resized the signature. So this way you can put sign on your PDF document. After that, just you can save the document. So I think I have already saved the document. Now you will see here in recent file, the PDF file is here. Now if I open the file and if I go to the next page of the file, here it's my signature. So this way you can put your signature in your PDF file. And there are few more options like scan to PDF. Through that you can scan pictures to make PDF files. For example, I am showing some example. Let's have one book. So I have this one book. Now I am going to make PDF from this book. For that, scan to PDF. Now you see, we can just click photo of the book and we can confirm. And if you need more pages, you can tap on add and you select it and capture photo and confirm. If you need another page, the same method will apply, capture and confirm. So I have added 3 pages. Now you tap on arrow sign, this one page, this one another page, these 3 pages. Now tap on done. So your PDF will be created in Microsoft Office. And to use these features you must log into the Office. So this one, from here even you can share it. I think it will take a bit time. Share as an attachment PDF. So this way you can even share it. And one more option, pictures to PDF. This options already you click photo will be converted into PDF. And one option is document to PDF. For that, let's see how it's work. Suppose I have one Word document, this one artificial intelligence. Tap on this document. Now this document will be converted into PDF, and even we can do from PDF to Word. Let's see, we have this class 8 book. Let's convert this book only. Tap on the book. So conversion in progress. It will take a bit time. It also depends on the network speed. If your speed is good enough, then it will do just in few seconds, and if your network speed is not that good, then it will take a while. Now you see it's converted into Word document. Now this document we can edit it. Thank you for watching. See you in a new video. Till then, take care and bye.